How to create a Bitfinex account. Hello everyone. Bitfinex is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange used worldwide. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Bitfinex account. To create an account and receive attractive offers from Bitfinex, visit coinaz.net/Bitfinex. Or click on the Bitfinex account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter your email, username, create a password, and select your country of residence. Here are the password requirements. I'll use an example password as shown on the screen. Click Sign Up. Drag the image to the correct position. Then, click here. Bitfinex just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the message that Bitfinex just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I will open the message. Copy the verification code. Then, paste or enter the code here. To secure your account, you need to set up two-factor authentication. Click Next to get started. First, you need to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone to scan the QR code on your computer screen. If you can't scan the QR code, you can enter this code manually. Now, I'll show you how to install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. To install the app, open the App Store on iPhone, or Google Play if you're on Android. Here, search for Google Authenticator. This is the app we need to download. Click here to download it. Then, click here to open the app. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. To begin, either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Select Allow to access the camera. This is the verification code generated by the app. Please go back to Bitfinex and enter this code. Click I've linked my code. Enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Two-factor authentication has now been successfully set up. Next, let's log in and verify your account. Click Login now. Enter your email or username and password. Then, click Login. Bitfinex will ask you to enter the code generated by Google Authenticator. Open the app, get the code, and enter it here. Check this box to agree to Bitfinex's terms and conditions. Click Submit. Once you're logged in, click Verify. To unlock all features and full access on Bitfinex, you'll need to upgrade to full verification. Bitfinex will ask you to provide the information shown on the screen. Then, click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. I've completed the guide on creating a Bitfinex account. Wishing you success.